Good morning, students. Today we have learned about the topic Unit 20. The topic name is Reaching the Age of Adolescence in Book Back Evaluation. Students, take your textbook in page number 241. The first one word is choose the best answer. The first one word is adolescence is the period of life between dash years of age. The answer is option C, 11 to 19. The second one is the period at which an organism attains sexual maturity is called dash. The answer is option A, puberty. Third one, during puberty, the region below the waist become vigorous dash. Answer is C option, both A and B. Then fourth, Adam's apple is the growth of the dash. The answer is C, larynx. Then fifth one is many adolescent boys and girls get pimples on face due to the secretions of dash gland. Sebaceous. Answer B, sebaceous gland. Then sixth one, the sperm is produced by answer D, testes. Then sixth one, dash are the chemical substance secreted by endocrine glands. Answer option A, hormones. Then androgen production is regulated by dash. Answer option B, LH hormone. The ninth one, during menstruations the progesterone level is dash. Answer option C, seized. 10th one, dash intake needs to be increased to prevent osteoporosis in later time. Then answer D option, calcium. Second one is fill in the blanks. First one, dash is secreted by the ovaries of the female, estrogen. Then second one, the hormones secreted by the glands are controlled by dash, anterior pituitary. Third one, milk secretion during lactation is controlled by dash hormone, prolactin hormone. Then fourth one, the male and female gametes together and form dash. Answer is zygote. The first menstrual flow begins at puberty and it is termed as menarche. Then sixth one, dash is usually occurs 14 days after ovulation. Then answer is menstruations. Then seventh one, dash includes protein, carbohydrate, fats and vitamins in requires professions. Answer is balanced diet. Eighth one, dash helps to prevent thyroid gland related disease. The answer is iodine. Ninth one, iron deficiency leads to dash, anemia. Answer is anemia. 10th one, in women fertilization take place at dash, fallopian tube. Third one, state true or false. If false, correct is statement. So there is a sudden increase in the height of both boys and girls during puberty. So answer is true, correct statement. Then second one is the release of ovum from the uterus is called ovulation. Answer then statements are false. So the correct statements are the answer of ovum from the one of them ovaries is called ovulation. Then third one, during pregnancy the corpus luteum continues to grow and produces large amount of estrogen and progesterone. Answer is true, so the statements are correct. Fourth one, making use disposable napkins or tampons may increase the change of infections. The statements are false, so the correct statements are making use of disposable napkins or tampons may reduce in the chance of infection. Then fifth one, using clean toilet from defecation is a good practice. True. Then fourth one, Roman letter is match the following. The first one is puberty. The answer is sexual maturity. Second one is Adam apples, change in voice. Third one, androgen, muscle development. Fourth one, ICSH, testosterone. Fifth one, menopause at 40 to 50 years of age. Thank you, students.